In this video, we are going to work with principle of moments. Small introduction. Principle of moment is also known as the law of the lever. It's a fascinating concept that explains balance and rotation. It states that for an object to be in equilibrium, the clockwise and counterclockwise moments about any point must be equal. This principle helps us analyze range, grades, and even doors. So, ayun, principle of moments. So, kuwari ito, ayan, ang figure natin. Drawing tayo ng FPD natin with the formula. Yan. Ang moment natin is equals to force times distance. Yan pa lang, isa pa lang yun. Pwede yung maging clockwise or counterclockwise. So, ang tulak na itong force nito ay pa-clockwise siya. Yun. So, ito ang example natin. Calculate the moment of the figure below. So, may force 1 tayo na 200 Newton na from the point neto is 3 meters. Tapos, force 2 natin na 500 Newton na 4 meters from force 1. Yan. So, paano natin kukunin? Yun. Dahil ang moment natin is force times distance, ito siya. Para sa force 1 natin is 200 Newton times 3 meters. Kasi, substitute lang. Pero, sa pangalawa natin is 500 Newton times 3 meters plus 4 meters. Bakit? Kasi, from point dito na dilaw na to is 3 meters to F1 is dadagdagan natin ng 4 meters para makarating sa force 2. Yun. Kaya, ganyan ang itsura niya. Okay. Solving. Ayun. 600 Newton meters plus 3,500 Newton meters. Ang equivalent naman nito na ang moment natin is 4,100 Newton meter. Yan. Yun na ang pinaka-final answer niya ng moment nitong example 1. So, example 2 tayo. Ayun. So, para siyang itsurang seesaw na pwede mag-counterclockwise or clockwise. So, ang first one natin is 400 Newton na ang distance ay 2 meters from pivot point. Tapos, ang first one natin is 200 Newton na ang distance ay unknown. Yan. So, dito papasok ang principle of moments. Dahil ang principle of moments, ang moment na counterclockwise is equal to moment na clockwise. Yun. So, paano natin isusulat? Ito, ganito. So, ang counterclockwise, ang ikot niya is pag ganito. Yan. Ganun. So, ito yun. Yung first nito. So, 400 Newton times 2 meters. Ang clockwise naman natin is yung pabaliktad. Na ang force is 200 Newton times sa D na unknown na distance. So, solving. Yan. 400 times 2 is 800. Para matanggal ang 200 Newton sa kabila at maiwan lang ang D natin na unknown, is divide both side 200 Newton. Thus, ang D natin is equal to 4 meters. Ayun. So, ganon gamitin ang principle of moments. Yeah. Thank you for listening.